Hola, yo soy Jaylon, and I'm going to make Hasu tacos. Um, yeah. Este es Hasu tacos, tortillas. Este es carne. Este es la espinaca, espinica. And here we go. We're gonna turn on it. Ooh, dang, that was a big old fire. Yup. Look at all this spinach, yup. Okay, so we just add some of this, garnier. Get in there. Hold on. Get in there. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at all that. Okay, it might look nasty. It's legit. This is what I do. This is what you call black daddy stuff. I mean, black people stuff. Cook the greens. Woo! Look at that go. Oh, last thing I got is esta a la corn. Esta, yeah, a la corn. Just dump that bad boy in there. Woo! Shake it. That's good. This is good stuff. Good stuff. Look at that. Too bad I got no music for this. Smells. Smells really good. That's how you do it. Oh, we got a little seasoning. Hold up. No. No. We got it. We got this done. The final part, we got el queso, Mexican cheese. Woo! This is what we're gonna do. Some of this. Get it all up in there. Then we're gonna put it in the microwave. 4 or 5 minutes. Not really for 5 minutes, but I'm just, using a big number. Alright, we good now. Woo! Look at that cheese melt. Okay. And for the last, shoot, when was it? Right there. And for the last part, you know, get a little of this tortillas. Let me set that down so I can get it open. So we're gonna cook this. Woohoo! Bam! Man, I'm cooking this at my auntie's house. You know, because she got the ingredients. I don't got it at this at my house, so. We're gonna turn it off. We're gonna put it in here. So now I got this. So now this is how you wrap it. Yup. I work at El Torito's. Yup. So now it's done, and that's how you make this Mexican taco. Get it? Yup. Tear it down. Is it good?
Oh yeah.
That's your dinner for tonight.